Crystal lattices of ionic compounds. Ions are arranged in a three-dimensional repeating pattern known as a crystal lattice. They have strong ionic bonds and high melting and boiling points. Conditions for ionic bond formation: metal with low ionization energy to lose electrons, non-metal with high electron affinity to gain electrons, large difference in electronegativity between elements, formation of stable noble gas configuration. What types of elements form ionic bonds? Metals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium tend to lose electrons and form positive ions, cations. Non-metals like chlorine, fluorine, bromine, oxygen tend to gain electrons and form negative ions, anions. What is a covalent bond? Covalent bond is formed when atoms share electrons mutually, helps atoms achieve noble gas configuration. This lowers the potential energy of the system. The bond formed is stable due to balance between attractive and repulsion. How covalent bond is formed? When two atoms come close, attraction between nucleus of one and electrons of the other, repulsion between both nuclei and electrons, a stable bond is formed at minimum energy distance. This results in the sharing of electrons between atoms. Types of covalent bonds. In single covalent bond, one electron pair is shared, represented by one line. Example, ethane. In double covalent bond, two electron pairs are shared, represented by two lines. Example, ethene. In triple covalent bond, three electron pairs are shared, represented by three lines. Example, ethine. Representation of covalent bonds. Dots or crosses are used to represent shared electrons. Bonds shown as single bond, double bond, triple bond. Hydrogen to hydrogen, single bond, oxygen to oxygen, double bond, nitrogen to nitrogen, triple bond. Examples of covalent compounds. Formation of water molecule. In water, two hydrogen atoms share electrons with one oxygen atom. In carbon dioxide, one carbon shares 4 electrons with two oxygen atoms. In ammonia, nitrogen shares electrons with 3 hydrogen atoms. In hydrogen cyanide, triple bond between carbon and nitrogen.